Welcome to the third Cyrima training module. We will delve into the various project categories within Cyrima and specific security requirements they address. Throughout this module, we will walk you through setting up and managing project effectively in Cyrima. You will learn how to utilize project templates, assess project scale and complexity, evaluate security levels, and create a backlog of tasks tailored specifically to meet your project requirements.
These crucial topics will help you configure projects efficiently and ensure robust security alignment within Cyrima. Let's begin by exploring the project category sections, where Cyrima offers three main categories tailored to a distinct operational and security needs: software development, organizational projects, and cloud implementation. Software development projects are focused on the creation or modification of software systems, applications, or platforms. The key activities involved in these projects include gathering requirements, designing, coding, testing, and deploying software solutions. A crucial aspect of these projects is handling security requirements to protect the system against vulnerabilities, unauthorized access, and data breaches, thereby ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the system. One example is the development of web-based banking application. This involves building a banking app that includes features such as user authentication and secure transaction, with robust protection against common security threats like cross-site scripting or SQL injection attacks. Another example is the creation of mobile application processing sensitive data such as health records. This requires the implementation of encryption, secure data storage, and compliance with privacy standards like General Data Protection Regulation or the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Lastly, for this project template, typical example is cloud-native application. These applications are built to incorporate features such as auto-scaling, high availability, and secure access to cloud-based resources, ensuring they are optimized for performance and configured securely in the cloud. Organizational or transformation projects often involve significant changes within an organization, such as restructuring, process re-engineering, or adapting new methodologies. These projects aim to secure organizational assets, integrate security monitoring, define responsibilities, and ensure clear segregation of duties. One example of such a project is the post-merger integration of security models. This involves aligning security policies and controls across merged entities, establishing a unifying access management system, and implementing consistent security governance to ensure cohesion and security within the newly formed organization. Another example for this template is security governance in digital transformation projects. As organizations undergo digitization, this project entails setting up a robust security governance framework, conducting regular security assessments, adopting secure coding practices, preparing incident response plans, and ensuring compliance within data privacy regulations. Organizational project template is also suitable to the supply chain security enhancements projects, which aims to fortify the security of the supply chain. This involves implementing vendor risk management practices, ensuring secure data exchange, and maintaining compliance with relevant security standards to protect the organization from supply chain vulnerabilities. Cloud implementation projects involve the integration of cloud-based solutions into an organization's existing infrastructure. This process includes selecting appropriate cloud service providers, migrating data to the cloud, and ensuring the security of cloud resources. Security is a crucial component of these projects, particularly concerning configuration, data protection, and ensuring business continuity. One example for cloud implementation project template is setting up cloud-based disaster recovery solution. These solutions involve establishing cloud-based backup and recovery system to safeguard data in the event of a disaster. This type of project may require data replication, testing disaster recovery plans, and ensuring that data is transmitted securely. Another example is conducting a cloud security and compliance assessment. This involves evaluating the security measures of cloud service to ensure they align with established standards such as Cloud Control Matrix or ISO 27017. Additionally, hybrid cloud integration is a common cloud implementation project suitable for this project template. This involves combining on-premises infrastructure with cloud systems to ensure seamless data exchange, interoperability, and workload portability, creating a more flexible and efficient IT environment.
Defining the project scale or complexity will help you understand the scope and resource needs. Cyrima categorizes projects into three main scales. A small-scale project, which is suited for initiatives with limited scope and low complexity. These projects usually involve developing a simple application or adding a specific feature with minimal functionality. They are often managed by a smaller team, require fewer resources, and are completed over a short timeline. Small projects are ideal for delivering quick wins or straightforward solutions. Medium-scale projects encompass more complex applications or systems with multiple features. These projects usually require larger teams, a moderate timeline, and more substantial resources, as well as potential integration with other systems or databases. If your project falls within the scope, you will need to plan for moderate complexity, including the coordination of various functionalities and possibly some interdependent components. Large-scale projects represent the highest level of complexity and are generally broader in scope, covering complex systems or platforms with numerous features. These projects typically span a longer timeline and involve multiple teams and departments, requiring substantial resources. Large project demands detailed planning and coordination, as they often include interdependencies between different teams and stakeholders. Defining your project scale accurately is essential, as it helps in resource allocation, project management planning, and realistic timeline setting. Once we understand how to determine the project scale, the next step is selecting the appropriate security level. This choice depends on the level of protection your project requires, taking into account specific risk factors and organization's security needs, including your organization's risk appetite, data classification and protection standards, criticality of impacted assets and processes in terms of business continuity, external risk factors, such as the likelihood and impact of attacks on similar projects. Cyrima also provides templates and support for linking various factors to aid in the decision. Low security level provides basic protection measures that are straightforward to implement with minimal costs. It's suitable for projects with low sensitivity in terms of data or system criticality and is often applied where security risks are minimal. A medium security level offers a balanced approach to security and compliance. While it may slow the project slightly, it addresses critical security needs efficiently following the 80-20 principle, ensuring that the most significant risks are mitigated without overly complex security structures. It's appropriate for projects where moderate security measures are necessary due to moderately sensitive data or medium impact on business operations. Projects with a high security level require a security-driven approach designed for high-risk initiatives that handle critical or large amount of data or where business continuity is essential. This level includes robust security processes, additional audit evidence, and regulatory compliance measures, ensuring protection against potential high-impact threats. By now, you have gained a solid understanding of how to set up and manage projects effectively within Cyrima. You have explored the different project categories and their specific security requirements, learned how to assess project scale and complexity, and evaluated security levels tailored to your organization needs. Additionally, you know how to utilize project templates and create a tailored backlog of tasks, ensuring your projects are configured efficiently and aligned with robust security standards. With this structured approach, each project in Cyrima can be categorized and secured in a way that aligns with its complexity and organization's security needs. This ensures efficient project execution and effective risk management, supporting the successful and compliant delivery of every initiative. Great work, and we look forward to seeing you apply the skills in practice. Now let's move on to the demo and get started with creating your first project in Cyrima.